Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Keynote and confirming it's updated. This avoids missing features. Tap the plus button to create a new presentation and pick a template that matches your layout goal. Once done, make sure iCloud Sync is enabled so your file stays backed up. This prevents data loss and lets you continue on other devices. You now have a blank slide deck ready and a clear template, so move to adding content and configuring slide size and theme. You add content by tapping text boxes and typing, then use the formatting brush to set fonts, sizes, and alignment. This keeps typography consistent. Next, insert images, shapes, or video from the plus menu and drag or pinch to resize and crop. Using layers helps you stack items precisely. Once your elements are placed, apply animate and build settings to control timing and order. This creates flow and emphasis. Make sure to preview each slide so transitions feel natural and not cluttered. You finalize by rehearsing in play mode, watching pacing and slide timings, and adjusting builds where a pause or faster cut is needed. When ready to deliver, tap Share to export as PowerPoint, PDF, or a movie. Choose the format that matches your venue and playback device. Once exported, test the file on the target device. If something goes wrong, toggle iCloud in Settings, confirm you have enough storage, and rootload. That fix resolves most sync or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.